Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Zombies on your Meta Quest 3. To achieve this, you will primarily be streaming the PC version of the game from a powerful gaming computer directly to your headset. This method allows you to enjoy the immersive experience of VR with a title not natively available on the Quest platform. We will walk through the necessary software and hardware requirements, ensuring you have a smooth setup for your zombie-slaying adventures. To begin, ensure your gaming PC meets the necessary specifications, including a high-end graphics card for optimal performance. A stable and fast wireless network is equally vital. We recommend a Wi-Fi 6 router or a dedicated 5 GHz connection to minimize latency and visual artifacts. You will also need Steam and Steam VR installed on your computer, alongside a streaming solution such as Virtual Desktop or the official Meta Quest Link software. First, install your preferred streaming software, whether it is Virtual Desktop or the Meta Quest PC application on your gaming computer. Next, establish a connection between your Meta Quest 3 headset and your PC using this software, confirming a stable link. Once connected, launch Steam VR on your computer. Then, open Call of Duty Zombies through Steam. While not a native VR game, you can play it on a large virtual screen within your headset, or use mods for a more immersive experience. For the best experience, fine-tune your PC's graphics settings for Call of Duty Zombies, prioritizing a consistent frame rate over ultra-high visuals. Additionally, optimize your Wi-Fi environment by ensuring your router is on a clear channel and, if possible, connect your PC directly to the router with an Ethernet cable. If streaming proves challenging, consider exploring excellent native Quest 3 zombie games such as Arizona Sunshine 2 or The Walking Dead. Saints and Sinners, which offer dedicated virtual reality gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.